Okay, I've taken the transducer out. I'll just show you. I'm going to remove the existing seal. Once again, that's my silicone that I put in. This is the original seal itself, this yellow part, and it's kind of flimsy, in my opinion, compared to the purple one, which is the new one. It also seems that the seal has a different configuration in cross section. It looks like there's two ridges on the previous seal, the stock seal, and on the upgraded one it looks like there's 3 ridges. I know, it just looks different to me, and it seems a little harder also. So what we'll do is we'll clean this up, take that silicone off of there. They say also that Garmin, in their manuals for installing this in a boat, says that what you do is you put screws through here and screw into the top of the housing. Just trying to get all that extra silicone off of there. All right, now we'll put the seal on. Yeah, this is definitely a little bit stiffer than the other seal. And now what we do is we'll fill the chamber with additional fluid just to make sure we'll fill it up completely. And the way I do this is I got myself a, I don't know if it's turkey based or something like that. It's just a big syringe that I got off of Amazon. It's called Yobet, and I got it off of Amazon. And the easiest way I found to fill up the fluid is to just go ahead and pull your fluid this way, and you want to use a marine, RV and marine antifreeze rather than a regular antifreeze, because this stuff is non-toxic if it spills out into the waterway. That's why they want you to use a marine antifreeze. You stick that down in there. And you just go ahead and fill it all the way up until it overflows a little bit. And then what you do is mount the transducer in again, push it down. And that seemed to go down harder. And you can see right here, the fluid got pushed up farther into the overflow tube. So what you can do when you clean your boat is you can check that and see where the meniscus is to see if you've lost any fluid. And that's all about there is to it. GoPro, stop video.